So, good day everyone. We are the Group 1 and we are here to discuss our topic entitled A Study of Emotional Loyalty versus Behavioral Loyalty in Business Growth. So, first, before we proceed, let me introduce our group. I'm John Roy Santos together with John Lawrence Gabiola and Mark Angelo Verzosa. And so, I will be the one to start this discussion. So, first, we have here the introduction. So, what is loyalty? Loyalty is people who are loyal to a brand really like it and keep choosing it. It's more than just buying things again and again. So they feel connection to the brand. They pick that brand over others because uh, they like it much more. So this is great for businesses because loyal customers buy more than they tell their friends or family or what we call the word of mouth and don't mind paying a bit more. So this is the importance of customer loyalty for business success. It says that the loyal customers, those who consistently choose the particular brand, are the key ingredients for the business growth. So these customers are not just buying products; they are like building a relationship with the brand. So the next one is emotional loyalty. So it is all about why people love certain brands. It is not just because they are good. It's because people feel a connection, like the brand gets them and shares their values. Think the brand of Apple, Nike, or Starbucks. People feel a loyalty that just buying a product. This kind of loyalty builds a strong, lasting relationship with customers and gets people talking about the brand to their friends or family, or what we call the word of mouth. So that's what makes a business successful in the long run.
Now let us tackle behavioral loyalty. When we say behavioral loyalty, it occurs when customers repeatedly buy from a brand due to convenience, reward, or just routine rather than a strong emotional connection. There are factors like loyalty programs, also discounts or easy accessibility that influence their purchasing decisions. For example, we have an example here, frequent flyer programs in airlines, also grocery store who offers reward cards. It keep the customers coming back. While this type of loyalty ensures steady transactions, it lacks long-term commitment, as customers may easily switch if a competitors offers better incentives.
Now, let's take a look at the integrating emotional and loyalty for growth. The balanced approach to integrating emotional and behavioral loyalty for growth combines that creation of personal connection uh, that makes customer feel valued with tangible tangible rewards that encourage repeat business, fostering long-term relationship and brand advocacy is essential for sustained success. And lastly, for the conclusion, it highlights that while emotional loyalty builds lasting connection and um, drives brand advocacy, for behavioral loyalty, it encourages repeat purchases, but it is more suitable to competition. And for together, they are vital for sustained business growth by forming a strong, loyal, loyal customer base, and it is essential for long-term success.